Welcome back everyone. We are going to make an extended half double crochet today. Now this is a regular half double crochet, so I'll do a couple more so you can see. Yarn over, pull up a loop, pull like that, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on your hook. That is a regular half double crochet. Yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through all 3. Normal, standard, garden variety half double crochet. Let's do the extension bit now. So to make an extended half double, we start the same, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now instead of going yarn over, pull through all 3, we're going to yarn over and pull through only the first loop like that and drop it off. That creates a chain at the base of the stitch. You can see it right there. Then we do the yarn over, pull through all 3, and suddenly we have a taller stitch. I think I pulled that one a little bit too tight, but there it is. Again, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1 first, then pull through 3. Pull up a loop, pull through 1, pull through 3. Yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 1, pull through 3. You can get a rhythm very, very quickly, but you can instantly see the difference in the height of these stitches. Now the beauty of this is that it helps to transition to taller stitches much more easily. It depends on what your designer is trying to achieve, but if you're ever doing any kind of transition, height transitions of stitches, I'll do some double crochet now, and you'll see how the transition is much smoother than if I went straight from the half double to the double. You can see very smooth transition in the heights of the stitches. See that? There's no little abrupt jogs as you change your stitch heights. So let's go back and do a few more of this particular stitch, the extended half double. Ready? Yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 1, pull through 3. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, pull through 3. Simple, simple, simple. And it's just a matter of getting into that rhythm. Pull through 1, pull through 3. And it just gives a little bit of height to achieve something that the designer is trying to achieve. Regular half doubles, you can see them there. Extended half doubles, you can see from here. That's it. Have fun. See you next time.